Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to tell you how to connect the accessories with the Roger gate motor. So this we have sensor wires which we connected to the sensors, photo cell, and these two we connected to the power. So here we are going to connect this one, the orange one. You can choose any color, no problem. I connect this one here on the photo cell number 1, 24 voltage, and this one will be common, and the green also I put in common in the photo cell. So this two is going in the common. Also we have a PP switch, PP push button. So one push button wire also will go in the common. So I'm connecting this here. This will be, the connection is completed now. So we connect this, and the signal wire for photo cell will go to the FT1. So this is FT1 I'm connecting. And the other one, the push button wire will go in PP. And the rest of the connections we have for antenna and flashlight, the lamp. So these two will going to connect to the antenna, and this one will be connected to the antenna. One will go in here. Sorry. So when we going to fix here, and the other one, the ground for antenna, we are going to fix here. The remaining two wires we will connect with the lamp here. The one will go to the neutral, and the other one will come here to connect, and we bring from one L jumper, we'll connect here. So that's all, viewers. Thank you very much for watching.